How to find video and photo settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video and photo settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click this three lines here, and now go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down and click this one, media, and then go down here and you will find this category, video and photo settings, and here you can manage video and photo settings to anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.